Salam everybody, welcome back to another Gap Languages video. In this comic picture we're going to talk about one of the funny story again. This story is about a cat and a dog. These two animals want to steal the meat or the chicken from the kitchen. So I'm going to explain everything in English. First, what I'm going to do is I read the script, then I'm going to read it the second time slowly, and the third time I'm going to explain each vocabulary so you can understand all of them. All right, everybody, now let's get the ball rolling. So how do we call dog and cat in Farsi Dari? So we say peshak wa sag. خب دوستای عزیز، امید که جور سر حال باشین. امروز بر شما یک قصه دیگر آوردیم. So let me read one more time. So the first thing is like greeting. So I'm saying I'm just greeting. So سلام دوستای عزیز، امید که جور سر حال باشین. So this is a very common greeting. You can also use in your daily life. So you can say, let's say you're talking to somebody and you just say salam, umid ke jor sar hal bashi. So this is a colloquial, and the formal one is salam dostay aziz, umid ke jor sar hal bashid. This is the formal one, and the colloquial one is salam dostay aziz, umid ke jor sar hal bashin. All right, so what does this greeting mean? So the first one is salam alaikum dostay aziz, jor sar hal bashin. So now here, hi dear friends, I hope everything is all right with you. I hope you're fine. I hope you're good. So that is the equivalent of the equivalent of English. All right. So امروز برای شما یک قصه دیگر آوردم. So امروز برای شما یک قصه دیگر آوردیم. So آوردیم is like basically it is talking about one person. Sometimes we say آوردیم. So one person says آوردیم, so it means that we brought. So but it is the equivalent of I brought. Another story. Okay. امروز برای شما یک قصه دیگر آوردم. So این قصه در مورد یک سگ و پشک دزد است. So این قصه در مورد یک سگ و یک پشک دزد است. So here این قصه در مورد یک سگ و پشک دزد است. So this story is about a dog, about a cat and a dog. Sorry, the first one is sag. So the dog و پشک دزد. So Peshak is cat. Duzd is a thief. So here we can literally it means the thief cat and also the thief dog. So that is how I can translate. All right. Okay, now let me read from the very beginning. سلام دوستای عزیز، امید که جور سر حال باشین. امروز برای شما یک قصه دیگه آوردیم. این قصه درباره یا در مورد یک سگ و پشک دزد است. بیاین که قصه را شروع کنیم. So بیاین که قصه را شروع کنیم means let's get the ball rolling or let's start the story. بیاین که قصه را شروع کنیم. در تصویر اول میبینیم که یک خانم در آشپزخانه در حال آمادگی نان شب است. Okay, now let me read one more time. در تصویر اول میبینیم یا this should be the تصویر اول. I think I forgot to put تصویر اول. در تصویر اول میبینیم که یک خانم در آشپزخانه در حال آمادگی نان شب است. So in the first picture we see there is a lady, یک خانم, a lady در آشپزخانه, it means in the kitchen, در حال آمادگی نان شب است, in getting ready for the dinner or like preparing dinner. آمادگی is like readiness or getting ready for something. و او میخواهد برای نان شب قرمه گوشت مرغ تیار کنه. و او میخواهد برای نان شب قرمه گوشت مرغ تیار کنه. And she wants to. میخواهد means here wants to. و او میخواهد برای نان شب قرمه گوشت مرغ تیار کنه. تیار کردن here it means prepare. And she wants to prepare meat sauce or chicken sauce for the dinner. I mean for dinner. She wants to what? She wants to prepare a chicken chicken sauce for dinner. Okay, now let's go to the next one. در داخل آشپزخانه یک تا پشک گرسنه هم وجود داره. Let me read it one more time. در داخل آشپزخانه یک تا پشک گرسنه هم وجود داره. Okay, در داخل آشپزخانه it means inside the kitchen. یک تا پشک گرسنه هم وجود داره. پشک گرسنه it means a hungry cat. وجود داره it means exist. Literally it means exist, but here it is the equivalent of there is. There's a cat or greedy cat or a hungry cat in the kitchen. Okay, پشک میخواه به طریقه گوشت را دزدی کنه. پشک میخواه به طریقه گوشت دزدی کنه. Okay, پشک میخواه به طریقه گوشت دزدی کنه. The cat wants to steal the meat somehow. به طریقه means somehow. او منتظر است. Like he's waiting. او منتظر است. it means he's waiting. If I say I'm waiting, how do I conjugate this one? من منتظر هستم. If it is you, تو منتظر هستی or شما منتظر هستین. We talk about تو and شما in our previous videos, so you can also check that out. There's a video I prepared. It is about conjugating verbs in Dari. Okay. The next one. امی که خانم مصروف شوه او گوشت بگیره. Okay, او منتظر است امی که خانم مصروف شوه او گوشت بگیره. So he's waiting. Amiki means as soon as the woman or the lady is busy او گوشت بگیره. So he wants to take the chicken. So who wants to take the chicken? The cat. So he's waiting. As soon as the woman is busy, he takes the chicken. Okay, now let's go to the next one. اما در تصویر دو میبینیم که یک مشکل کلان رخ میده. اما در تصویر دو میبینیم که یک مشکل کلان رخ میده. So here اما means but. اما در تصویر دو میبینیم but we see in the second picture که یک مشکل کلان رخ میده. A big problem takes place. So رخ میده it means it takes place or it happens. Yeah, excuse me. So در لب دروازه سگم منتظر است که گوشت را بگیره و فرار کنه. Let me read it one more time. در لب دروازه سگم منتظر است که گوشت را بگیره و فرار کنه. So at the threshold there is a dog waiting to take the meat and run away. So here گوشت را بگیره means take the meat و فرار کنه and runs away. میبینیم که خانم مصروف گرفتن دیگ است و پشک هم میره گوشت گرفته فرار کنه. Okay, let me read it one more time. میبینیم که خانم مصروف گرفتن دیگ است و پشک هم میره گوشت گرفته فرار کنه. So what does the sentence mean? میبینیم که خانم مصروف گرفتن دیگ است. So we see the lady or the woman is busy taking the pod و پشک هم میره and the cat goes گوشت گرفته فرار کنه. Takes the meat and runs away. He wants to go there. Literally this means to take and run away. The meat. So the next one. پشک گوشت در دهان خود میگیره و فرار کنه. So the cat takes the meat in his mouth and runs و فرار کنه. To run. حالا میبینیم که در تصویر سوم چه اتفاق میفته. میبینیم که در تصویر سوم چه اتفاق میفته. Now we'll go to the next picture and see what happens. Okay? So, امی که پشک میخواه فرار کنه سگ در روبرویش ایستاده است. Okay. امی که پشک میخواه فرار کنه سگ در روبرویش ایستاده است. So, I mean که we just talk about it. I mean it means as soon as the cat wants to میخواه it means wants to فرار کنه wants to run away سگ در روبرویش ایستاده است. The dog is like standing in front of him. در روبرویش means in front of him. و پشک از سگ میترسه و گوشت از دان پشک مفته. So now here و پشک از سگ میترسه So how does this phrase work? So peshak as sak metarsa. First we have one noun, then as, which is from, metarsa, then another noun, and then we put metarsa. If I say ma as sak metarsum, so I am afraid of dog. If I say no, I'm not afraid of ma as sak nametarsum. Okay, so peshak as sak metarsa, it means the cat scared or is afraid of the dog و گوشت از دانه پشک و گوشت از دانه پشک مفته, and the meat drops off of the cat's mouth. و سگ گوشت میگیره and the dog takes the meat. و در همین حال خانم متوجه میشه که سگ گوشت گرفته فرار میکنه. Okay, let me read it one more time. و سگ گوشت میگیره و در همین حال خانم متوجه میشه که سگ گوشت گرفته فرار میکنه. So در همین حال it means at this point خانم متوجه میشه. متوجه شدن است to notice something. She noticed that the dog که سگ گوشت گرفته فرار کنه. The dog wants to run away, to take and run away. خانم چیغ میزنه و میگه کسی کمک کنه سگ گوشت دزدی کرده. So now here one more time, let me read it one more time. خانم چیغ میزنه و میگه کسی کمک کنه سگ گوشت دزدی کرده. So she shouts, چیغ میزنه, she shouts و میگه and says کسی کمک کنه, somebody help, سگ گوشت دزدی کرده. The dog has stolen the chicken or the meat. از دست خانم چیزی نمی آید. So از دست خانم چیزی نمی آید means she can't do anything. از دست خانم چیزی نمی آید, she can't do anything. If I say I can't do anything, از دست ما چیزی نمی آید. و سگم و هیچ کس هم کمک کردن نمیتونه. And nobody can help. و هیچ کس هم کمک کردن نمیتونه. Literally this means nobody can't help, but that is the equivalent of nobody can help. و پشک هم زورش به سگ نمیکشه و مایوس میشه. Let me read it one more time. و پشک هم زورش به سگ نمیکشه و مایوس میشه. And the cat cannot, deal with the dog. So زورش نمیکشه, it means it could be the equivalent of cannot deal with the dog. و مایوس میشه and he is disappointed. مایوس شدن is disappointed. و خانم هم امشب بر نان شب چیزی برای پختن نداره. And the lady doesn't have anything to cook for dinner tonight. و میگه and she says امشب برای نان شب چی پخته کنم؟ چیزی برای پختن هم ندارم. And she says, why is it is امشب برای نان شب چی پخته کنم? What should I cook for dinner tonight? چیزی برای پختن ندارم. I don't have anything to cook tonight. Alright everybody, that is the end of the story for today's session. It's like a session, honestly. I'm just breaking down everything for you so you can learn new phrases, expressions, and also phrases, how to use them in your daily conversation when you're interacting or striking up a conversation with an Afghan or with somebody who speaks Persian. Alright everybody, so if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. I'm sorry about my English. Sometimes it's it's kind of hard to do two languages at the same time. I'm not a translator, interpreter. So yeah, sometimes I kind of mess up everything. Anyhow, so what I was saying was this thing. So you can also check out our website at www.gaplanguages.com, where you can find our tutors, our expert tutors, I should say. They have experience more than almost a decade. They've been teaching for a very long time. So we also have great materials. We have Persian or Dari syllabus for our learners, and there are some other videos that we don't upload here on YouTube because we put them as premium videos. So we uploaded, I think, two or three of the videos as a sample. You can also check that those videos. Yeah, if you want, we can also have those videos for our students. All right, everybody. So that's it for today, and we'll see you next time. Khuda Hafiz.